Hello YouTube. I just got this multi-tool today. Thought I'd show it to you, and I might carry it a couple days along with my buck. I still have those reviews coming up. Just honestly, I haven't had time to make them. I just have a little time to make this video real quick before I have to do something else. So it is a, see if I get to focus here, Leatherman PST2, Portland, Oregon. It's got a little wear on it. See if I can open this with one hand. Leatherman tool. See if I can pull the. It's got the numbers there for like a ruler. Goes all the way up to 8. It says 7, but realistically it's probably 7 3/4. Let me set the camera down here because I can't do everything with one hand. Pull the blade out. Needs a little help. Alright. Got all the tools out here. By the way, I'm recording this with my new iPhone. Looks like the scissors are probably broken, maybe? I don't know, you tell me. These two come apart here. I probably need to blow this out with air gun here. So you got your screwdrivers. Blade looks a little rough. I could probably clean that off. Let's see if I can open the other side here. Give me just a second. Alright, got the other side open. Got the file, Phillips screwdriver, can opener, and I don't know what that is. Probably another small screwdriver. So, that's all I had to show you. I bought it for $3 today at a garage sale. So, tell me if I did okay, and if you know what it's worth, I would like to know. It's also got a little, oh, I had one up here somewhere, for a lanyard type thing. So, I still got the truck video coming up. I haven't had a chance to make it, like I said. Once I get time, I will make it and have it for you. So, that's all I got to show you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.